In this video, we will cover how to bulk create and upload bundle SKUs to your OneCart account. So in OneCart, on the OneCart interface, under Add Bundle SKU, you can create bundles one by one. This is great for practice and testing the functionality. However, if you do have more than 20 or 30 bundles to create, I would recommend that you take a look at our Bundle SKU Template for upload. You can find our Bundle SKU Template for upload under this article right here, and clicking this hyperlink Bundle SKU Template will take you to this Google Sheets page, which is our Bundle SKU Template. Here are a few examples for you to have a look at. Let's cover quickly what each of these columns refer to. So product code refers to the parent category code for your particular product. Product name is the name of the product. Bundle SKU is the SKU for the bundle. And component SKU is really the most important part of the spreadsheet, which is the formula letting us know how to create your bundles using the individual SKU. In this case, the format that we use is a number, followed by star star, followed by the individual SKU. So in this case, the first part is the number of items. The second part is the individual SKU. So in this case, we have a bundle of 24 times KC 2296. If your bundle is of the format item A plus item B, you simply just need to add a comma in between both parts. Once you've completed this template, you can download it as a CSV under Download CSV, and you can email it to us at hello@latchman-tech.com, and our team will upload it for you.